I got this one via Kizer's TikTok shop, and I'm sure it's available also on their website. So I'll have all the links for all these knives down below so you guys can check it out. This one's called the Mini Bay 14C 28N blade, G10 handle, and it is going to be a slip joint. So nice little slip joint here, 1.89 inches on the blade, and this one's got, you can probably see from the box here, a little bit of sort of like a Lego theme, sort of brick building block, sort of brick, Lego brick if you would. So very, very interesting one to say the least. Let's take a look here. They have different colors available, but this sort of stormtrooper aesthetics is the one that spoke to me the most. It's not going to be a large knife in any stretch of the imagination. I can tell you that right now. It's going to be a small, tiny little guy. But yeah, definitely got the sort of Lego brick aesthetics, right? We got the pegs on this side, the holes on the other side, right? With a deep pocket carry clip, non-reversible. Got the black and white, blacked outliners, one standoff. It seems to be a front flipper and a front flipper only. So let's give it a swing here and see how it goes. I mean, you know, I'm not even going to clip this out. I'm absolutely not going to clip this out at all. I'm just going to leave it in here. You guys can make fun of me. I'm over here trying to front flip this guy, not realizing the blade is on the other side. So technically speaking, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at a back flipper. So there you go. That's my silly moment of the day. Hopefully you got a good kick out of that. So not a front flipper, but a back flipper. And we have a very interesting sort of sheep's foot blade going on this one. Looking nice. Got a little bit of a belly to it. Got sort of like the Lego face on one side, the Lego brick on the other one. But I believe this one is maybe Kizer doing their own thing. I don't see any sort of Lego logo anywhere. So, and you know, Lego is the most popular brick building toy out there, but it doesn't mean they're the only ones, right? There's other companies that also do, right, Lego knives as well. So here we go, slip joint. So I was looking for a way to close this guy, right? Is it a liner lock? Is it a frame lock? No, it is a slip joint. So what's interesting about it though is it being a slip joint and all, you can still deploy it just like a modern folder. So that part right there, it's actually pretty satisfying, I'm not gonna lie. But it's not gonna be a locking knife, right? So you can see here, still a sort of like a slip joint, non-locking knife under 3 inches, right? Under even 2 inches to be exact. So check your local law, especially if you have something strict with locking knives, right? This one is non-locking, so that might help you there. I'm thinking of my folks over in England, in the UK, right? This might be something that works for you, especially, you know, blade length and strict loss and all. So we have a little bit of milling on the inside for weight reduction. You can even one hand close this guy. And again, not going to take a lot of room here. Almost the whole thing really hides in the hand. A very nice little pocket knife, and the DL kind of looks like a toy, right? And definitely got those brick aesthetics, but then bam, right? You got a nice little blade. You even got a little finger choke right there. You can forward choke on it, of course. Remember, it's a non-locking knife. So the moment I put a little bit of pressure here with my thumb, I'm unlocking it. So do keep that in mind. But yeah, you can forward choke. I'll probably use the jimping here to make sure I don't put additional pressure on the blade. But yeah, about maybe a 3. Can be a 4-finger grip if you forward choke. So keep that in mind. And look at that. I can even close it one-handed. Almost closed it all the way. Yeah, it's going to be a fidgety one, even though it's got the one deployment option only. So this guy, again, called the Mini Bay. All right, let's do a little bit of a size comparison here just to show you Dodo right here. All right, Karambit. Little liner lock there. We got the original 2. And this is the G10 version and D2. This is the 14C 28N version with aluminum. 2 different blade geometries. Got a beautiful drop point on that one, more like a clip point on this one. Then we got the Mini Bay down here, right? So this one's obviously gonna be a small to mini knife. This one's very medium to large. That one's more of a medium size, if you would. And of course, you already know we're gonna get scientific with it here and see what these are capable of. So this one is, we said it was 14C 28N. On this bad boy. So flat grind on this one. Yep, absolutely slicing and dicing that paper there without any issues. And last but not least, the cardboard here. Here we go, cutting diagonally. Okay. Yeah, obviously we don't have a ton of cutting geometry, so I did taper off a little bit there. It's probably way more hardcore work on this knife that you probably would ever put this tiny little guy through. But in case you're wondering if it can get it done, the answer is yes, it can absolutely get it done. So there you go. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.